In today's video, we are going to dive into the remarkable victories by cyclists Biniam Girmay and Henok Mulubran. These inspiring achievements highlight the incredible talent and determination of these riders. If you enjoy this content, please subscribe, like, share, and leave your comments below. Let's celebrate their success together. "10 days with the green jersey." Biniam Girmay improves his lead in the Tour de France points classification after stage 14, 1. Biniam Girmay, 353 points, 2. Jasper Philipsen, 277 points, 3. Brian Coker, 147 points. Bravo Henok. Eritrean Henok Mulubran is one of the stars, winning the green jersey stage 6 with 58 points, Qinghai Lake Tour in China. Pedal power from Eritrea to the world. Eritrea's courageous cyclists Biniam in Tour de France and Henok in Qinghai Lake Tour, conquering stage by stage. Biniam from Eritrea showcases Eritrean cycling power to the world. Asmara, the capital city of Eritrea, is celebrating Biniam Girmay's remarkable victory. Congratulations to Biniam and all Eritreans. Eritrea's remarkable performance in the Tour de France 2024. Henok made history as the first African cyclist to win and own the green jersey in China, earning an impressive 121 UCI points for Eritrea.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to EdTube, like this video, and share it with your friends. Your support helps us bring you more content. See you in the next video.